Hello students. The next video that I am going to share is on n-queen problem using backtracking approach. And in the previous video I have told already the backtracking approach and introductory idea. Then the problem that we can solve using backtracking approach is the first problem is n-queen problem, right? So what is n-queen problem? N-queen problem, that means we have to place n queens on n by n chessboard such that no queen attack each other. Okay, suppose we have this chessboard of n by n, and that means the number of queens. Suppose for example, if we have taken 4 queens, so our problem becomes 4 queen problem. That means we have to place 4 queens in 4 by 4, that is 16 cells chessboard such that no 2 queens attack each other. So what is the attacking condition? That is, if the 2 queens are in the same column or in the same row or in the same diagonal position. Okay, so the constraint in backtracking now we are going to impose are that no 2 queens in the same column, okay, and no 2 queens in the same row, no 2 queens in same diagonal position, right? So the second constraint, that is no 2 queens in the same row. So this constraint can be imposed by the implicit constraint, like for example, in this chessboard we have 4 rows, okay, 1 2 3 and 4, and 4 columns, 1 2 3 and 4. So each queen will be placed in each row. Queen 1 in row 1, queen 2 in row 2, queen 3 in row 3, and queen 4 in row 4. So this constraint, no 2 queens in same row, will be satisfied when we place one queen at each row. Okay, now the problem is to use a constraint 1 and third. That means the same column and the same diagonal. Okay, so we start by placing first queen. Okay, we have taken the first queen. Suppose this is our chessboard and we start by placing queen 1 in row 1. Okay, so suppose we are placing queen 1 in this column, that means column 1, 1 2 3 and 4. So column 1, that is q1. Okay, q1 is placed in first column. Okay, now we have placed q1 in column 1, okay, q1 have been placed. Now we have to place q2 will be placed in second row. Okay, in which column we have 1 2 3 4 options. Okay, but we are going towards the depth first approach, so in the first column. Can we place in the first column? If we place queen into q1 q2 equal into second, okay, into first column, sorry, this is first column, right? So if we try to place the queen q2 in the first place, so the two queens q1 and q2 both are in the same column, right? So our first constraint cannot be satisfied. That means this cannot be placed. So kill that node and we go one step back here where we have placed q1 in the first column. Okay, now we have next option. Yes, what is next option? If we place q2 into second column. Okay, so this cannot be placed. That means q1 is here. So can q2 be here? No, this cannot be here because both queens are in the same diagonal. They can attack each other. Okay, this is in diagonal position. So again, this doesn't give the feasible solution and kill that node. We go one step back where we have placed q1 in the first column. Yes, we have other option. What is option? Can we place q2 in third column. Let's check. Q1 is here, Q2 is here. Yes, Q2 can be placed in third column. Okay, so this is the safe position. If Q2 is placed, we don't go for checking the fourth column. Okay, we move further. That means for placing the queen Q3. Okay, now for placing queen Q3, we move towards the next row, that is the third row, and here we have again the option. Okay, the next queen we have to place in this row, right? Can we place Q1 here in the first column? That means Q3 equals to first. That means Q3 equals to first. No. Why? Because Q1, if we place Q3 here, then both Q1 and Q3 will be in the same column. Okay, that means they can attack each other. So kill that node. We go one step back where Q2 is placed in column 3. Okay, so don't worry, we can check for the another option, that is Q3 equals to 2. That means we can place Q3 in the second column. That means can we place Q3 here? If we place Q3 here, look, Q2 and Q3 are in diagonal position, same diagonal position. So Q2 and Q3 can attack each other. So we cannot place Q2 here. That means we have to go one step back here. Next, can we place Q3 in third column here? Can we place Q3 in third column? No, because Q2 and Q3 will be in the same column and they can attack each other. So we kill that node and we go one step back here, and again we have the option Q3 equals to 4. That means can we place Q3 in the 4th column? If we place Q3 in the 4th column, again Q2 and Q3 are in same diagonal position. Okay, so they can attack each other. That means 4th column. That means our option 4th column is not okay. So we go one step back here. So we don't have any other option. First column, second column, third column and fourth column. So we don't have any other option. We go one step back. That means here. That means we have to remove Q2 from column 3. We have to remove Q2 from column 3. That means something like that. Q1. We have removed Q2 from column 3. Okay. From this column, I have removed Q2. Right here. Now, when we reach here where Q1 is placed in column 1. Okay. Now we have checked for column 1, column 2, column 3 for Q2. We have one more option, that is Q2 equals 4. Can we place Q2 at 4th position? That means 4th column. Okay. Yeah. Q2. Yes. We can place Q2 at 4th position. Okay. Now Q2 has been placed. So we will go for checking the Q3. Okay. Now again for Q3. Can we place Q3 at first column? Can we place Q3 at first column? No. Q1 and Q3 are in same column. No. So we will check for Q3 equals to 2. Yani ki can we go for placing Q3 in second column? Second column. Yes, we can place Q3 in second column. That's okay. That means this path is okay. Okay, Q3, we have placed Q3 in second column. Now Q3 have been placed, so we will go for placing Q4. Okay, now Q4 will be placed in the 4th row. That is okay. Now check again. Q4 equals to first column. Can we place Q4 first column we cannot place Q4 because Q1 and Q4 in the same column and Q3 and Q4 are at diagonal place. Okay, so kill that node, go one step back, again Q4 equals to second column, check for the second column, no, Q3 and Q4 will be in the same column, so kill that node, go one step back, again check for Q4 equals to third column. Can we place Q4 in the third column? No, they are Q3 and Q4 are in diagonal position. Okay, so kill that node, we go one step back and check for the last option, Q4 equals to 4. Can we place Q4 queen 4 at the fourth column here? No, we cannot place because Q2 and Q4 are in the same column. So again we cannot place Q4 in the fourth column. Now we have to go one step back here. That means we have to remove Q4. So we have to remove Q4. That means we cannot place here. Remove Q3 one step. Remove Q3 one step back. Okay. So remove Q3. That means remove Q3 from here. This place is empty, right? Q3 we have check for column 1 and column 3, then again here check for column 3, Q3 equals to 3. Can we place Q1, Q2, remove Q3 from here, and can we place Q3 here? No, because Q2 and Q3 are in the same diagonal position. Go one step back, then check for Q3 equals to 4. Can we place Q3 at fourth column? No, Q2 and Q3 are in the same column. So we cannot place Q3 at the fourth column. So again, we don't get the solution. Go one step back. That means remove Q3. Q3, okay, we have not placed Q3. Go we have not more option. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 columns have been traced out. So go one step back. That means remove Q2 from the cell. That means remove this Q2 from the cell. For Q3 we have checked all the options, column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. So that means our decision was wrong. So remove Q1. That means remove Q1, go one step back. That means we are again at the starting position. That means remove Q1 now. Now remove Q1. Okay, this Q1. Okay, this Q1. I am starting from the next page. That is again this path we have come from backward. Now we have checked for Q1 equals to 2. Okay, that means we have placing Q1 in the second column. Okay, that means Q1. Now for Q1 is placed. For Q2, can we place Q2 in the first column? No, because this is an attacking position. Can we place Q2 in second column? We go back and check for Q2 equals to second column. No. Same. Can we place Q2 here? No. Can we place Q2 here? Q2 equals to third column. Again fail. Yes. We can place Q2 equals to at fourth column. This is okay. Now we are here. Now for Q3, check. Can we place Q3 at first column? Can we place Q3 at first column? Yes, it is safe. Okay. So no other options we need to check. Next, that is Q3. Now, can we place Q4 here in the first column? No, because attacking position. We go one step back here. Check for column 2. Q4 equals to 2. Can we place here? No. Q1 and Q4 are in attacking position. Go one step back. Check for the column 3. Q4 equals to 3. That is okay. Q3, yes, Q4 can be placed here. It is a safe position. So we get the path, this one. That means Q1 can be placed in second column, Q2 will be placed in fourth column, Q3 in first column, and Q4 in fourth column. And similarly, we can find out all other options starting from Q1 equals to 3 and then 4. We again, one more solution we will get, like Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. One more solution we get. These two solutions we will get here. So this is n-queen problem. We can solve it simply by using state space diagram.